Alrighty, my friends. Hello and welcome to The Great Wall. This is part D, and it is the final video of this problem. So now you need to figure out, well, first of all, we have our Great Wall, right? And this is the growth pattern that we've established. We did our t-chart, solved for our iterative function, realized that our iterative function is also our coefficient. We colored our coefficient in blue and then our constant in red. And then we used this information to create our formula, and then we tested it 3 times so we know that it works. And now we are on the final part, and we need to figure out how many blocks are going to be needed to build the 43rd section, the last section for all the animals that are attacking your school, my friend. So this is actually really cool. I love this part. And you're going to start off just like you did for your test, just by writing the formula, right? So we're going to write the formula with right here. Hold on. And here we go. S times 3 plus 2, right? And now, since we're solving for the 43rd, easy for me to say, right? 43rd section, we're going to plug in 43 here. So I'm going to just write 43, then times 3, and plus 2. And that, my friends, is the next step in the formula, right? So what I'd like you to do is go ahead and pause the video, copy this, and then copy this, and then we will roll on. Alrighty, and now let's move on, and we're going to do the multiplication first. 3 times 3 is going to give us 9, right? And then here you have 3 times 4, which will give you 12. So I'm going to drop the 12 right there, and we get 129 plus 2, right? And then go ahead, pause the video, copy this, and then we will roll on. Super. And now here we go. All we have to do is add 2 to the 29, right? To the 129 rather, and you get 131. And that, my friends, is how many blocks you will need for the 43rd figure, the 43rd section, right? The very last section of your wall that will totally protect your school from all of these crazy animals and many more that are attacking. All right. Hey, so make sure you have everything copied onto your paper, and hopefully you understand it well enough to do the next one, because the next one is on your own, and then we'll work together to make sure that you got everything correct. Until then, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.